Okay, we have a Feeler Vertical Machining Center, model HV800, serial number HVG025. This machine was new in 2011, and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a FANUC 18 MB control with FANUC motors and drives. Right now we are running at 3,000 RPM. The spindle goes up to 15,000 RPM. It's a it's a BT40 spindle with a 30 ATC side mount tool changer. That's 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Very quiet. 9,000 RPM. Okay, now the machine has a 37.4 by 20.5 table, which is 950 millimeter by 520. You have 31.5 inches of X travel, or 800 millimeter, 20.5 or 520 millimeter Y travel, and 19.9 or 505 millimeter Z travel. We're simulating tool changes. Again, you have a side mount 30 ATC for the BT40 tools. Machine also has coolant through spindle with a high pressure coolant pump and a regular coolant system. And machine also does have a chip conveyor. Inside the machine you have dual augers that feed the chip conveyor as well. All the axes are quiet. Telescopic weight covers also all axes. And hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.